If you loved anything that much, you'd fight too. You'd fight through who and whatever. Bet you choose violence over silence every time. You might die, but you might live. You might give the last drop. You couldn't stop if you loved anything that much. If you loved anything that much, the touch of patience would hit differently. You'd be forced to disagree, compelled to disobey, compelled even if afraid. God bless the day long with struggling, the night deep with loving and touching. Now imagine it disappearing into nothing. To feel love in your mouth again, I bet you would turn into a cusser, a disruptor, a disturber of the peace, your peace intact. Exact precision of blunt instruments, it will make no difference. However intuition or intonation might lead, you cry and swing and cry and swing for the fences. If you loved anything that much, you fight too, you fight back. No matter how weak they said you were, no matter how many days in a row you haven't eaten, ain't been sleeping, barely breathing, still wanting, still needing, you keep on keeping, finding fresh paint for that picket sign. You jump the line, regretting you only have one life to give for your babies and your lover, lying to your mother who's still in denial about raising a fire starter, a flame fanner, son of man, not manner. You laugh on the witness stand. The only hand you are in belongs to the Most High.